start with the neck stretch to prepare for our session. Once we reach our 30s and 40s, nearly all women and men produce less collagen. After the age of 20, collagen production naturally begins to diminish, sometimes by up to 1% each year. That shortfall can really add up over the years. If you're new here, would you please support me by liking and subscribing to my channel so that I can make more videos like this one. Rotate your shoulders. Now go the other way. Pinch the side of your neck here. This helps with muscular tension, stiffness, and pain in the neck, shoulders, and upper back area. Take your thumbs and put them underneath your cheekbones next to your nasal region. Lower your jaw down as far as you can and hold it down. This not only promotes collagen, but also strengthens the skin elasticity. Now, move your fingers to the center of your cheeks and do the same thing. Push up your cheekbones and drop your jaw all the way down. Push your chin in and down as hard as you can. Then try to close your mouth and resist your mouth from coming together. Keep strengthening your jawline here. Now let's pinch around your jawline. We can get a defined jawline by doing this. Using the two fingers and tapping to promote collagen. If you're going to do anything, do this. This is so important. It causes neurostimulation, and this will really help the body repair and heal. This ear exercise is going to stimulate points in the ear. Each point in the ear area correlates to specific parts within our body. Massaging the ear stimulates the brain. This is very, very healthy. You should feel lots of stimulation and some of the symptoms might even disappear. Look how many points you have stimulated. Slapping the face will dilate your blood vessels. It will help increase the blood flow to the area, which can help remove those free radicals and toxins, helping the body to build collagen and improve skin quality. Secure your hands in front of your ears and say "oh." This is excellent for stimulating the cheek and jaw area. Rebuild your collagen and get the glow back onto your skin as when you were younger. Now say E-O, E-O. Improve the skin's elasticity and boost collagen by pinching. Pinch the nasolabia fold area too. You worked hard today. Let's relax and calm our faces. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.